Smaller gatherings are on trend this holiday, so you're bound to have a fair amount of leftover ham. Let me show you one of the best ways to have leftover ham. And it's gonna be an awesome ham and callaloo quiche. I mean, what beats cheese and ham, right? I mean, well, hardly anything. Let's get started. Not only will you learn the fundamentals of quiche making with a twist, you will also get to use prized leftover yummy ham. Instead of the traditional crust of flour or a pie crust, I'm going to be using a potato crust for this dish. This dish is decadent and filling and is guaranteed to please the whole family and your friends. All right, let's get started. Again, no more talking. Use the grate blade in your food processor to quickly grate your potatoes. Yeah! Woohoo! Look how fast that is. Everyone needs one of these. If you don't have a food processor, manually grate the potatoes using a box grater. Check the description to see my list of kitchen essentials. But trust me, get a good food processor. It makes life much easier. Once that's done, I set aside my potatoes to allow the excess liquid to drain off. Put them in a bowl with some salt to leach some of the excess water from the hash. This is my best friend, a cast iron pan. Go to the link below to purchase one just like this one. I'll be cooking and finishing everything in this pan. Next, add butter to the hot pan and saute all the seasonings and callaloo until wilted, then set aside. Add the remaining butter, then saute the potatoes with a little water for about 5 minutes, just to pre-cook them a little bit before baking. Once that's done, take a spatula and press the potatoes against the bottom and the sides of the pan to form a crust. Bake until the middle of the quiche puffs up, or insert a knife in the center, and if it comes out relatively clean, then you're good to go. This is about 20 to 25 minutes bake time. It's better to underbake the quiche slightly than to overbake it where it comes out dry, so pay attention to that. You'll be surprised at how fast this quiche is gonna go down into your bellies because it's so delicious. Oh my gosh, guys. You won't regret making it for breakfast, and I think it will be one of your favorite in your recipe collection. If you're posting this recipe to Instagram, be sure to tag me, Chef Samantha George and Lilan Limited. If you want more ham-based recipes, check out the link below for more. And remember, big shout out to Lilan Limited for sponsoring this video.